So guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can transfer your USDT from OKX to another exchanger which is called gate.io. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can do that. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So I assume that you already have gate.io account and you have verified your account. So for you to do the transfer, you are going to click on your asset over here. Click on your asset. Then you are going to click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto. Then you are going to choose on-chain deposit. So you are going to get our wallet address first. So click on on-chain deposit. Then as you can see, you can search for USDT from this option if you don't have USDT already. So let's search for USDT. So USDT, which is also called Theta. So click on it. Then you are going to choose network. So there are different network over here. So you can use Solana network, you can use OKX chain network. It depends on the network you actually want to use. So let me check. You can use Solana network, then you can use Ton network. So actually want to use a network that will going to cost us a little amount of money, which is called Atos. So and it's going to arrive in just 2 minutes. So let me choose Atos as my network. Atos. So as you can see, this is the network and they are going to charge us 0.01 USDT for this transaction we are going to make. So I'm going to copy my wallet address, then come over to OKX. So let me come over to OKX. So as you can see, this is my OKX wallet address. So I have 17.22 USDT. So then I'm going to click on asset to actually transfer. So we have deposit, we have withdrawal, we have transfer, and we have history. So for this purpose, we are going to click on withdraw. Click on withdraw over here. Then we are going to choose withdraw crypto. Click on withdraw crypto and it's going to load up a page for us. So we are going to be transferring our USDT. Click on USDT. Then we are going to choose exchange or wallet. So we actually want to transfer money out of this wallet. So we are going to choose exchange or wallet. So there are also over here, there are different network. We choose Actos in the previous wallet address you copy from gate.io. So we are going to choose the same Atos, choose Atos as our network. So then paste our wallet address we got from gate.io. Like we copy our wallet address over here. So we are going to paste it inside this wallet session. So I'm going to paste this once again. So this is my wallet address. And the next thing is to choose the amount of USDT we want to transfer. So it's loading up. So I'm going to choose the amount of USDT. So for this purpose, let me just transfer all the money I have inside this wallet. So I'm going to click on max so that I'll be able to transfer all the money inside this wallet. Then click on submit. And if you check, this one I'm actually like using Atos is the fact that any transaction I'm making, they're going to charge 0.03, which is very, very cheap compared to using TRC20, which is going to charge us 1.3 for a particular transaction. So I'm going to click on submit. So they said I have to make sure that this wallet address is correct. So if not, my money will be, I'm not be able to receive this money. And I believe this wallet address is very, very correct. So I'm going to click on OK. Then confirm once again. So as you can see, right now, we are going to actually get our notification, like send a notification to your email, also to your phone number to ensure that you actually authorize this particular transaction. So over here, let me send a notification to my email, also send a notification to my phone number. So guys, I've actually copied the code I actually got from my email and phone number. So the next thing I'm going to do right now to confirm this particular transaction is to click on confirm, and this money is going to be sent. As you can see, they said 17.226 is on the way to my gate.io wallet. So let me pause this video, wait for the money to arrive, then I will conclude this video.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about 15 minutes or so, I actually check my wallet address and the money is there. As you can see, I have 17. Okay, let me swipe. Oh, sorry. So let me swipe up. So I have 17.42 USDT inside this particular wallet. So I hope this video actually help you out. If you do, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel because this is what I basically do on this YouTube channel. Subscribe so that when I drop a new video just like this, you are going to be the first one to watch and learn in this Web3 space. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.